Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I've been doing an unboxing video for days now. So I just unboxed this and see what's inside. Okay. Oh wow, it's the... Okay, let's just... Right. Okay, I opened the package and it was two new round hay balers. The 569 and the 560R. Oh my gosh, I finally got them. They came. Hooray for me. Hooray. Alright, let's unbox this new 569. Oh, it's got 6 bales. Alright, there it is, the new 569 baler. Oh, look at that, it comes with a collector card. It shows you a picture of this real 569 baler. Let's just take it out of the box. Okay, if you look at the back, it shows you some information about the new 569 baler. It's got, 2,200 pounds full size, dry bale weight, 32 to 72 inch bale diameter, 62 bale width, 4,730 pounds baler base weight, and 146 inch bale length. Okay, there it is, the new John Deere 569 baler. So if it's saying the number 5, that means it's got a 5-foot bale chamber, creating a 5-foot wide bale. If it's saying number 6, it makes them like a 6-foot in diameter bale on the inside, and a 9, that must be a series indicator. This was the one with the new 9 series round hay balers, offered from 2013 to 2017. Look, it comes with 6 bales. Oh, okay, there's the 6th bale. It's got a slow-moving vehicle sign. Look, you can lower it. And there, that's cool. All right, okay, that's the John Deere 569 baler. Let's open up this brand new 560R baler. Oh yeah, and that baler also comes with a collector card of its very own too. 560R, there's the real 560R. Here's some of the image about the new 560R. 2,200 pounds full-size dry bale weight, and 32 to 72 inch bale diameter, and 62 inch bale width, and 7182 pounds bale base weight, and 146 baler length. Okay, so that's the information about the new 560R baler. Okay, the new 560R is unboxed. Wow, this is really cool. Oh, it's a Mega White HC2. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you something really cool. Look, like all other implements, the balers are connected to the tractor. Let's see if I can connect this baler to the tractor. I don't think I can. You can even connect these balers to the tractors. Okay. Okay, they're like many types of hay fields where the John Deere round hay baler comes in. Hey, look, after the hay's picked up, the hay goes into a chamber where a series of belts shapes the hay into a round bale. The belts also compress the hay so it forms a nice tight bale. Oh, you could even put 2 bales on each side of this baler. Okay, when the round bale reaches its proper size, the light goes on in the tractor's cab. The light tells Kenny it's time to roll out the bale, so he stops the hay baler. And the round bale is wrapped with twine. What I was trying to say before, the round bale is wrapped with twine. Kenny pushes a button, and the back opens, and the fresh round bale of hay rolls out. Well, hay is used to feed livestock, and it's been grown in every state of the Union, including Hawaii and Alaska. Oh yeah. I already know that there are many types of hay fields where it's time to cut dry and bale the hay. Hay is used to feed some of their animals here. I hope the farmers will come visit the animals in a few days to watch them eat. Look, here's another new machine. They're many types of tractors that work on the hay fields. What's a new machine? It's called a baler, and it does more jobs than the farmers used to do by hand. The baler goes over a tall field of grass and it cuts it right down. And the cut grass moves right inside of a round baler where huge belts help rotate it into a big round ball. When the baler has enough grass, it stops and it just drops the bales of hay right out in the field. Then it keeps working. Oh, look at that grass cutter go. Okay, everyone. Oh yeah, I forgot. So the 569 and 560R, well, if they're saying the number 5, that means they got 5-foot bale chambers, creating a 5-foot wide bale. This baler is kind of like the same as the 568 and 468. Oh yeah, so if they're saying the number 5, that means they got 5-foot bale chambers, creating a 5-foot wide bale. And they'll make it number 6. They'll have the same. They'll make a 6-foot in diameter bale on the inside, and the 9 is the series indicator. 0R is the series indicator as well. So this must be a 0R series round baler. And the series round baler. Wow, this is cool. You know, I actually love round hay balers, especially these two. Okay, everyone. That's the video of the new John Deere 569 and 560R round balers. Goodbye.